the principled, hard-working, and effective leadership that our community richly deserves, and that Macedonia urgently needs at this pivotal moment in the history of our proud nation, together with our friends from all the Macedonian communities throughout the world. UMB is about the continued growth and strengthening of the Macedonian nation through investment in an invaluable infrastructure and institutions. While Macedonia is certainly an integral part of our nation, the Macedonian nation is not limited to that state, nor is it defined by those states' borders. Rather, our nation is comprised of the Macedonian communities throughout the world, and the people and institutions that make up those communities, not forgetting that our common homeland is Macedonia. To ensure the survival and growth of our nation, we need to continuously strengthen our nation's infrastructure, which requires continuously guarding and replenishing our resources. As a member of the Macedonian nation, this responsibility is understood and embraced. At the same time, we do not exist in a vacuum. Those who propagate against Macedonia are well aware of the existence of our precious national resources, like the UMD, that make our nation strong and give voice to our collective cause. As such, UMD is targeted and continuously under attack by those who wish to weaken, divide, and destroy our nation's institutions. And in doing so, the goals and aspirations they so effectively advance. This insidious plan is yet the latest variation of the discriminatory policies set in motion by the Greek government since 1913. Over the past 18 years, this plan to neutralize and dismantle the Macedonian nation has become increasingly well-coordinated and funded, and if left unchecked, represents a serious threat to our very existence as a viable and independent nation. However, the strength of our nation has been and remains our people. As long as Macedonians remain committed and understand that the strengthening of our national infrastructure requires constant vigilance and sacrifice, we can and will win this fight. A century ago, the very existence of the Macedonian nation was in jeopardy. Miraculously, through perseverance, unwavering faith, toil and sacrifice, our nation survived and is thriving today. This opportunity was afforded to us by our forebears, whose passing gift to our nation was the opportunity to excel and grow. It is incumbent on us to build on their sacrifices. Now it is your turn. Invest in your nation's future by supporting and strengthening the United Macedonian diaspora. Dear family and friends, and I literally mean you are my family and friends, the last 3 days have been inspirational. I apologize that I have to pick on one individual this evening, but from what I have heard these past 3 days from this leader in our community, makes me so proud and emotional to have here among us this evening. I decided today, in light of the women's panel yesterday, which I found extremely pleasing, to pick as my role model Liana Dumitrescu. Sorry, Liana, to put you on the spot. But you are truly an example of all of us here tonight. Macedonian women have been an integral part of the Macedonian nation. Thank you. Each and every one of us here tonight make the Macedonian nation stronger and ready to take up any challenges that come before us.